back to my channel. So I'm going to show you a day in the life of a black homemaker, and here's my vlog agenda. I am currently unpacking all of our groceries. We're going to do a floor arrangement, a chit chat, living room reset, and we're going to cook and clean together. So I just put away all the groceries. Today is Father's Day. It's not going to be Father's Day when you see this, but happy Father's Day to all the amazing fathers out there. I hope you feel loved, adored, and appreciated on this special day and every day. I went to the Crossroads today. The Crossroads is Starbucks, Target, Trader Joe's, and Home Goods. I had the best day ever. You know, this year I was feeling away about Father's Day. I'm typically not in my feelings around holidays. I think I said that on my channel, and I wish I would have never said that out loud because now I've been feeling ways about holidays. But I went out, did some retail shopping, got some flowers for the home, and I'm getting ready to put everything back together. This is the Sunday after our Bridgerton tea party. So the house still looks like Bridgerton a little bit. So I'm going to clean the rest of that up today and set the house back to our summer vibe. So I purchased this from Home Goods. It's just a brown picture, and I think it looks so cute, and it's going to go very cute right here on this island with these yellow flowers. And then I also got a condiment tray. I'm actually going to use this for food. Technically that is what this is. This is also a condiment tray, but I use it for flowers. So now I have one that I'm going to use for snacks like olives, peanuts, chocolates, pecans, cranberries. It's just something that we can use to like snack on or entertain when we have people over, or if we want to entertain ourselves. If we're having a movie night, just fill this up with some snacks and, you know, have at it. So I gotta figure out where I'm gonna keep this at. This goes on the table in the living room, so I'm gonna put my white roses in there. Today I'm making meatball stew. It's something that I got off TikTok, and the recipe calls for beef. Keisha still eats beef, so I'm making it two ways, one for her and one for me. Because Father's Day is a little hard for her too. Her dad is also in heaven. So I just wanted to do something extra special for her. Just, you know, love on her and show her that she's appreciated, and just to let her know that I'm thinking of her. Also picked up a card for her, and she also did the same thing for me. She gave me my stuff last week when I was really feeling down. It was so sweet. I'll put the picture here because I took the picture and showed my mom. But she basically got me some things to like create a nice little spa night for myself, just so I can, you know, relax when I'm feeling down about the realities of only being down to one parent. Yesterday we went to my mom's home to celebrate my brother, and we had my other brother that lives in Texas on iPhone, on FaceTime, as well as the kids that weren't there so they could open their gifts together. And that was really sweet. And then we cooked for my brother, and after we ate, we went and got in the pool, and then we had dessert. So that was lovely. I didn't really record, well, I didn't record at all, because it was just, you know, us there with my nieces, my nephews, Keisha. It was just nice. Hold on. I'm pretty much content with the way my coffee table is styled. Well, not really, because I do want to get a coffee table book. And I don't want to buy a book based off of my theme right now. I feel like that's all I'm looking at. I need a coffee table book that's going to be like my year-round decorations. So once I put, but the thing after spring and summer is fall decor. So it don't matter. I should just find a neutral book and just let that be it. Game of Thrones come back tonight. Are y'all Game of Thrones watchers? I am. I was a late bloomer though. I started watching them the year before last. So I caught up on all the seasons before the new season came out last year. I'm gonna style my main bouquet first, and then whatever's left over will go here. These are long. That went flying over. So I seen somebody on TikTok, it's a new layering system to make these bouquets, and I think that's what I'm gonna do. So you put out 3, 3, and 3, and you just start the cycle over. I'm gonna try that and see how the bouquet looks. If you're new here, hello again. My name is nikianichelle, and I upload new videos every Sunday and Tuesday on homemaking. I vlog my life with my wife, and I also share skincare tips because I'm a licensed esthetician. So if you're interested in that content, please subscribe to my channel and become an emerald, and be sure to turn on your post notifications so you're notified when I upload a new video. And thank you so much to my returning emeralds. I appreciate your love and support. I hope you guys enjoy this video. So now I just decided to use this one big one for these. And we got the carnations. You know, some people, you either love or you hate a carnation. I don't mind carnations at all, actually. And before I were introduced to any of the flowers, when people would ask me what's my favorite flower, I would just say carnations. But now I know others. Hydrangeas are my favorite now. Hydrangeas is first, then roses. I love lilies, but I'm allergic to them, believe it or not. Keisha and I both allergies act up crazy when we have them in the house. So we stay away from lilies, but I think they are gorgeous flowers. So this is Father's Day weekend. We are, technically we're less than a month away from going to Florida to celebrate my dad's transition anniversary. We do that every July. Honestly, transparent moment, probably triggering if you're grieving yourself, but I have a hard time like letting go and letting myself like grieve and feel. And it's so crazy because I know that I need to, like, you know, grieve and feel what I feel, but I'm so afraid of it for some reason. And I don't know why. Like, I am afraid to like feel the feelings. And I know it's probably, you know, from the trauma of everything I've seen when my dad transitioned, because I was, you know, there and I've seen a lot. And I honestly think I haven't really like processed in my mind like the things that I've seen. But I'm working on it, and I'm praying, and I appreciate if y'all pray for me too. sauce. So I'm cooking. Oh, I'm turning the fan off. So I am cooking dinner like I said earlier. These are my turkey meatballs, bell peppers and onions. I'm getting the roux together in my pan. This is Keisha's pan for her balls. I'm getting ready to take them out because I don't want them to cook all the way through, because it needs to finish cooking in the broth. And here is her peppers and onions. So I'm going to add back the peppers and onions. And then I'm going to add garlic. Then I'm going to add my balls and then the broth. And then I'll show you what both of ours looks like when it's done. Definitely, let's see, do y'all skip promos or do y'all watch them? I don't be feeling them, but I'm definitely gonna watch a recap if they have one. House of Dragon is back. Yep, here's the recap.
Lord of the Seven Kingdoms.
My show is over, so now I am cleaning the kitchen. It is much later in the night. Actually, it's the next day because it's after midnight. But anyways, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.